Alrighty, another up close and personal. We got a real beaut today. 2025 collectible of the year. Alrighty. Limited to 4,000 for the Americas. 1,500 for the EU version, European version. I forget how many for the Asian. I think it's either 5,000 or 6,000. But I've been very curious about this Tide Pod looking front of it and what it looks like. Ooh. This is one of those rare lighters rare Zippos where it looks better up close and personal than it does far away. Because that is cool as hell. For any and all who was wondering what the front of the 2025 Cody was, this is it. Look at that. You would never know it looked like this unless you had a microscope camera. That is groovy. Haha, get it? Groovy. Oh, that's dumb. That flame is crisp. A lot of people have mixed feelings about this one. I like it. Regardless, I think they did a good job. Good job filling them in. They did a good job. Almost like a smoke effect with that. Alright, ending it back up on the flame. Alright, thank you everybody.